It has been called the wandering officer problem. Police officers who lost their jobs because of misconduct finding work yet in new jurisdictions.
The I-Team found since 2016, nearly 200 officers across the state were hired after they fired or quit before they could be fired from another agency.
A law enacted just last month would help curb that. Sean Gallagher explains.
In Wisconsin, if an officer is fired for cause or quit in lieu of termination, they could be decertified, meaning they can no longer be a police officer. Up until now, agencies would only see that those officers were flagged and not necessarily why. A new law will give chiefs more information about the officers they intend to hire.
We're going to have a file that's going to show their commendations, the good things, any bad things.
Representative Ron Tussler, a Harrison Republican, authored the bill. The Department of Justice keeps tabs on officers that quit in lieu of termination or were fired for cause. That list is available to other agencies. The officers are flagged, but it's not clear why they were flagged. This new law requires agencies to disclose that information to other departments. It also does away with non-disclosure agreements when they leave a department.
These are agreements that probably never should have been legal, but they got to be common, and they exist in Wisconsin. They exist in other states as well.
I think it's a great first step. What we see in this bill is a requirement, basically, that agencies do a more comprehensive background check on officers before they hire them.
Josh Parker is a senior staff attorney with the New York University Policing Project. He studies policies and similar state law enforcement boards across the country. He says it's in line with best practices nationwide, but there's still room for improvement.
What concerns me about this law is that it does not have teeth.
Parker notes there's no penalty spelled out in the law if law enforcement agencies don't comply with the new reporting laws, among other concerns.
The grounds by which the board may decertify an officer are overall quite narrow in Wisconsin compared to other states.
Another proposal in Wisconsin would give the Law Enforcement Standards Board additional decertification powers if an officer violates a use of force policy, setting a strict timeline for decertification.
It would decertify those officers and prevent them from going to another jurisdiction and just simply working somewhere else.
Representative Supreme Moro Makunde, a Milwaukee Democrat, introduced a plan setting a 30-day timeline for the LESB to decertify officers terminated for using excessive force.
We do want to make sure that there are checks and balances with local law enforcement, especially for those who are violating those high-level use of force policies.
Parker believes it's an additional step forward, adding Wisconsin's current law already puts them at the forefront for reporting legislation across the country. Tussler thinks the proposal may take minor infractions into account and believes his bill would cover the most serious offenses. Moro Makunde's bill was introduced this fall but hasn't been called out of committee. Reporting for the I-Team, I'm Sean Gallagher.